Welcome to another episode of Christian Combatives. I'm your host and servant in Jesus Christ, Paladin Actual. I'm going to try to not waste your time on this video, but I have 3 reasons that I found that you as a Christian man, a young Christian man, or however old Christian man you are having a difficult time finding a Christian wife. And let's just get right into it. So this came about as a result of a post that I saw somebody make that said basically the reason why young Christian men are not finding spouses, not finding wives, is because they're not looking. And my immediate thought was like, no, wrong. I talk to a lot of young Christian men who are struggling to find a spouse, and I realized that actually is part of the problem, but it is only part of the problem. So the 3 reasons that I find most common that young Christian men are having difficulty finding young Christian women, particularly Lutheran, I'm going to talk from a Lutheran perspective, is number 1, you aren't looking. Number 2, you are looking, but they ain't there. And number 3, you are looking, they are there, and you're not presenting yourself as husband material. So let's get into it. The first one is the easiest to solve, honestly, is you aren't looking. And unfortunately, there are some Christian men who have this idea of entitlement, that God is going to just stick a woman in your life. You guys are going to get married. It's going to be perfect. It's going to be a Disney story. You're going to stumble into her in the hallway. It's going to be a meet cute, and then you guys are just going to, you're going to contribute, and you're going to absolutely do nothing to actively search for a wife, and you're just going to get one. It could happen, could potentially happen, maybe, but is that what God has called you to do? To just be absolutely passive and let things just happen? No, not necessarily. So if you want to find a wife, you better be looking for one, which leads us to our next 2 steps. Let's say hypothetically, you're a young Christian man, you're trying to find a wife, but you don't live in the Midwest. You're a Lutheran trying to find an LCMS wife, but you don't live in the Midwest, and you don't go to Concordia College. Don't catch me with that one. So you don't go to Concordia College and you don't live in the Midwest. Where are all the Lutheran women at? I mean, obviously in the Midwest, in Concordia colleges. You go to your church. It's a wonderful church, wonderful LCMS church, but it just doesn't have any young women your age. What do you do? You don't go to the college you go to doesn't have any young Lutheran women your age. What do you do? The reality is that some people may actively be looking for a Lutheran wife, but are not able to find one at the places where good Lutheran wives are sold in stores, or found in churches. I mean, you're not going to find a good Lutheran wife probably at the bar or someplace where you're going to look for people who aren't Christian. So what do you do? How do you find these? Now, unfortunately, and this is a problem that I wish could be addressed somehow, and I don't have the ability or authority to address this, but there are a lot of different resources for finding Lutheran or Christian women, men and women, and they're all kind of scattered all around, and the people who use these are just kind of like they're on some of them and they're not on other ones, and there's no like central conglomeration of Lutheran singles. Now, there is a website that I'm going to advertise for free called Lutheran Singles Online, I believe .com. Lutheran Singles Online, they have a Discord and they have a Facebook as well. Lutheran Singles Online, and it does have a lot of Lutherans on it, but you're going to notice if you go on the website that very many of them live in the Midwest. So if you are actively looking for a woman and you're trying to find a good Lutheran woman, try expanding beyond your immediate vicinity. If you can just like go to a Concordia college, go ahead, that's where they are. But if they may not be interested in marriage, but that's where a lot of young Lutheran women are. They're going to Concordia College. But if you can't, look online, look at Lutheran Singles Online, look at the Facebook group, look at the Discord server. And there's going to be a bunch of other resources. I'm going to put a bunch of resources in the description below, and I'll keep adding them as long as people keep sending them to me. I haven't checked them all out. I haven't vetted them all. Lutheran Singles Online is great. The problem is it doesn't have all the Lutheran singles on there. So how do you find the rest of them is the problem. Check that out. Bryan Wolfmueller also has a singles cruise that he did. I don't know if he's going to continue to do it. Keep an eye open for him. He also, I believe, is putting together a bunch of resources, which would be fantastic if we can get some sort of regular kind of maybe even official LCMS dating thing, matchmaking service. Molly Hemingway, I think, also does matchmaking. If we can get something where it's like KFUO and Issues Etc. and Higher Things, and sure, why not the National Youth Gathering? All of them are advertising that this is where Lutheran singles meet other Lutheran singles who are trying to get married. That would be fantastic. If we could coordinate and get that to happen, that would be great. Now, don't look at me because I am not good at coordinating and organizing and keeping spreadsheets. I would be happy to contribute how I could, but somebody who's got more time and more structural ability, it would be great, a fantastic resources for our young Lutheran men and women to have a singular advertised, updated, and well-managed website / app or whatever. Because you really don't want to be looking on places like Match.com or whatever. You're not gonna. Don't even bother. It's hilarious if you want to check it for a laugh. It is not where you're going to find a good Lutheran spouse. All right, so problem number 1, you aren't looking. Easiest problem to fix. Start looking. Problem number 2, the places that you're looking that the women aren't there, you need to expand your search radius. You need to expand to search for, because they're all in the Midwest for the most part. Most of them are in the Midwest until we get more people logged into that website. But you may have to expand to search for Fort Wayne, Minnesota, that kind of area where Lutheran women are, but are willing to move, or you're willing to move. One of those two things, you may have to actually move, or she may have to move in order to have a nice Lutheran wedding. So you have to consider that. So problem 1, you aren't looking. Easy. Start looking. Problem 2, you are looking, but they aren't where you are looking. So start looking additional places. And again, I know it's not perfect. Hopefully we can get something set up at some point where we have more coordination and we stick all the Lutheran singles and there's a huge database and it just it finds your perfect match for you. But we're not there yet. So you still have to actively look. You just have to check additional places. Number 3 is probably the most important part, but it's probably also the hardest to fix and the hardest to address because it's unique to the individual. You're looking where young Christian women, Lutheran women are, but what are you presenting? You know where to look. You are looking there, but what are you offering as a husband? You need to be actively trying to be the best husband you can before you get married. That way, the man that you are presenting to your future wife, you want her to have the best, right? You don't even know who she is, but you want this woman who you're eventually going to marry to have the best, right? So be the best. Be the best that you can be, the best version of yourself. Now, a lot of people are very narcissistic. Let's say that. Narcissistic. Egotistical. They think that they shouldn't have to change anything about themselves, that women should just accept them as the person they are. They want to wear their anime graphic t-shirts. They want to be extremely rude to everybody online, practice poor hygiene, practice poor manners, do all of these things that are kind of universally and they want somebody to just kind of accept them for that. Congratulations, you just played yourself. You've cut yourself off from the type of woman the type of responsible woman who would marry a responsible man. You don't want to marry, you want to present the best to the person that you're going to marry. You're going to love them. When you meet them, you're going to love them. You're going to want them to have the best. So how do you work on yourself? Now, the difficulty here is that there's no Ken doll version of a man that is going to appeal to everybody. Some women, they really love the kind of lumberjack aesthetic. Some women love the tweed and yo-yo aesthetic. But you can still look at the Bible and find ways to imitate Christ and present yourself. Not just be the type of person the Bible says you should be, but also put that on display. Let me give you an example. Be a servant. Be willing to serve and to sacrifice. Read Ephesians 5. It tells you what the duties of the husband are, and that includes that. Be Christ-like, willing to serve, willing to sacrifice, that sort of thing. Start in your church. Be willing to serve and sacrifice in your church. Participate in the altar guild. Participate as an acolyte. Participate in the church council. Participate as an elder. Help people when they need it. Volunteer to go and help, weed the gardens at some of the members of your congregation's house. Do actively the kinds of service tasks that the Bible wants you to do. And who knows? You may have some mother in the congregation. Maybe she doesn't have a daughter in the congregation, but Lutheran mothers are pretty perceptive. No shade against Lutheran fathers, but Lutheran mothers, they notice when there are young men in their congregations who are actively active in the church, who are actively showing Christ's love to other people. they'll notice that. And if one Lutheran mother is talking to another Lutheran mother, and that Lutheran mother has a daughter and they can't find a good Lutheran young man for them, who do you think they're going to think about if you're the one who they see constantly showing Christ's love, being consistent in genuine love and acts of service with other people? I mean, worst that could happen, you spend your life loving other people. Okay, that's great. So again, the 3 points: 1, you aren't looking. Easiest to fix: start looking. Stop being so passive. Number 2, you are looking, but they aren't where you're looking. Look more places. This isn't a guarantee that you're going to find somebody, and it could take a long time. You could have to put yourself on Lutheran Singles Online and be on there for years. Who knows? But be willing to continue to look, continue to engage with others. Who knows? Somebody might know somebody else, and connect those dots. Number 3, you know where to look. You're looking in the places where people are, but you're not presenting husband material. Be husband material. Be Christ-like. And this means working on yourself. This means, yes, you may have to actually participate in physical fitness. Yes, you may have to actually hold your tongue, not be rude to people, starting fights with people about Semper Virgo every chance you can get on the internet. You need to present somebody who's nice and pleasant to be around. Now, this doesn't mean you have to give up your principles or anything like that, but you can speak the truth in love, because that's what the Bible tells you to do. So what kind of person are you presenting? There's going to be specific women who are interested in specific things, but there's some universal things like good hygiene, good manners. Try to improve your intelligence. Try to improve your physicality. Try to take care of yourself. Be actively nice to other people. Be actively loving to other people. Pray for people. Increase your theological knowledge. All of these things are good things, whether or not you find a spouse, but doing these things prepares you to be a good husband, makes you husband material, one might say. So again, I'm going to put resources in the description down below that I found. Please feel free to leave comments that have additional resources that you have found helpful. If there's some sort of way that I can help make this better, I don't know what I could do yet. Again, I can't make a international or national database of all the Lutheran singles or whatever. It would be cool if it started getting advertised on like Issues, Etc. and KFUO and particular pastors who are more prominent started advertising stuff like LutheranSinglesOnline.com. That would be great if that happened, to get more people in the programs like that, but I can't make anybody do that. Word of mouth is great too. Just encourage other people to use these things as well. Anything beyond that, I mean, I don't want to become that guy, but if you really need it, reach out to me and say, hey, look, this is me. Am I presenting the best version of myself? What do I need to work on? It could be something as simple as like, hey, you're doing great, bud. You just need a better profile picture. You just need a haircut. Lose the anime shirt, put on a tight-fitting black t-shirt. Classic. All right. Hope that helps. God bless you all and take care.